guys, welcome and learn Python 3 with Atif Masih Series. My name is Atif Masih. This video is related to Python escape characters or escape sequence. What is meant by escape character inside the Python string? When we print a string and Python will allow some characters to be printed and some are not allowed inside the string. An escape character is a backslash symbol, and if we want to print the characters that are not allowed inside the string, we can use escape character, which is a backslash. We must start character with backslash if we want to insert a special character inside the string. See here in the example. We have string. We are the so-called Vikings from the north. See here. We have a string with double quotation. We have string in double quotation, and we used double quotation inside the string, which is already in double quotation, and Python will return error message, which is a invalid syntax. And we can fix this problem using escape character, which is a backslash. See here. In the same previous example, I just placed backslash before the double quote. See here. Before and after Viking. And see here. It return correct string with double quotation inside the string. We will learn more about back characters one by one. See here. Single quote, backslash, single quote. If we want to insert single quote inside the string, then must start single quote with backslash. See here in the examples. We have first example in single quotation. See here we have string in double single quote, and we can also use string in double quotation inside the Python. We have learned in previous videos. We can use single or double quotation for string in the Python, but this example has string in single quote, and we used single quote inside the single quote, and it will also return error message, which is a invalid syntax. Now to fix this error, I just place backslash before the single quote. See here. Like a bird on a tree. It returns correct result without an error. Now see here. I have used contraction inside the string, and string is already in a single quotation, and it will return error invalid syntax. And to fix this method, we can also use backslash before the single quote. See here. It returns correct string. And also we can remove this error if we want to place single quote inside the string. Then we must create a string using double quotes. See here. And it will return correct result. And also if we use contraction inside, then we must create a string using double quotes. See here. Sorry, I forgot to write double. If we want to insert double quotes inside the string, then we must place backslash before the double quotes. See here. It returns error because we have string already in double quotes, and when we place double quotes inside the double quote, it will return error. And we can resolve this using backslash. See here. And we can also resolve this using single quote string, and we can place double quotes inside the single quote string. See here. And next back sequence is backslash. And see here, we will use double backslash. If we want to insert a single backslash inside the string, then we must place two backslash. See here, this will insert one backslash. See here. And next is a new line. New line, just move the cursor to the next line. See here. Hello, then backslash n, and then word. It just move the part which is after the new line to the next line. See here. And next is a carriage return, which is a backslash r. Backslash r just move the cursor to the beginning of string or the line. See here. And it replaces the first character or first word of the string. See here in the example. In first example, hello backslash r word, and see here it replaces the first word. And see here in the second example, you will understand more. Hello in the Python backslash r word. It will override the first word. See here. And next is the tab backslash t. It just place 3 times spaces. See here. Hello backslash t word. It will add 3 spaces. See here in the result. And to prove this, I just use simple print function using plus operator. And see here, in first part hello, and in the last part word, and I just place 3 times spaces. And see here, both have same result. And next is a backspace. For backspace we use backslash b. See here, it will just erase one character. See here, hello, then backslash b word, and see here in the result, it just remove o. In this video, we have learned about Python escape characters. And if you want to learn more concepts, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on bell icon. And if you have any problem or any question, then let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my videos.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back.